Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we're going to apply what you have seen in the previous video, which is related to finding the sum and the difference of two angles. And in this example, suppose that sine A, so this is the first angle here, sine A is 3 over 5, and cosine B, B is the second angle, is 5 over 13, and A and B are acute angles. So without using the calculator, we are going to find the values of sum sine A plus B, cosine A minus B, and tangent A plus B. Now, since we're not using the calculator, it is always a good idea to sketch the angle, the triangle and its respective angle here. So we can say that this could be my A, and according to this, sine A is 3 over 5, which means that this must have been 3, this must have been 5, and according to the Pythagoras theorem, you should be able to find the length of this, which is just equal to 4. Next, another triangle for B. So we have B, so both are acute angles, so this is B. According to this information that we have here, cosine of B is 5 over 13, which means that this must be 5, this must be 13, and again, according to the Pythagoras theorem, you should be able to find the length over here, and you should be able to get that the length here is equal to 12. Okay, so I'm just going to erase this. Okay, so this is 13. Okay, so now these two triangles here are important in order for us to answer these questions here without using the calculator. Alright, so the first one here is finding sine A plus B. So sine A plus B, now we can find the answer to this by applying the formula which you have seen before, which is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So I'm just applying the formula which you have seen in the previous video. So what is sine A? So based on this triangle, sine A is 3 over 5, cosine B is 5 over 13. So, and cosine of A, so cosine of A is 4 over 5, 4 over 5, and sine of B is 12 over 13, 12 over 13. And based on this, you can simplify that. 3 times 5 is 15, 13 times 5 is 65, plus 4 times 12 is 48, 5 times 13 is 65. Now we have the same denominator for both fraction. We can just add up 15 with 48, and that is equal to 8, 5, 13, 5, 1, 63 over 65. So that's the answer to the first question here. Alright, next is cosine A minus B. Okay, so cosine A minus B. Now, according to the formula which you have seen in the previous video, this will be cosine A cosine B. Now, if you have a minus, you will have plus, okay, sine A sine B. So cos A is 4 over 5, 4 over 5. Cos B is 5 over 13. Plus sine A, 3 over 5. And sine B is 12 over 13. Okay, then we can just multiply them. This will be 20 over 65 plus 36 over 65, and this becomes 56 over 65. Okay, so there you go, we're done with that. Now let's look at the next question. Question C. So I'm going to write down here question C. So tangent A plus B, according to the formula that we have seen in the previous video, is just tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus tangent A tangent B. So tangent A is 3 over 4 plus tangent B is 12 over 5 over 1 minus, just going to multiply tangent A with tangent B, 3 over 4 times 12 over 5. Now let's just simplify what we have over here. 4 and 5, the denominator is not the same, so you need to find the common denominator for that, and it will be 20. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 48. So that's the numerator part, over 1 minus, this one you need to multiply them. So this will be 36 over 20. So 15 plus 48 will be 63. 15 plus 48 is 63 over 20 over, this one is 20. So 20 minus 36. Next, we have 63 over 20. 20 minus 36 is negative 16. Negative 16 over 20 is similar to multiply that with 20 over negative 16. So 20 can be cancelled. Negative 63 over negative 16 is just negative 63 over 16. So that's the answer for the third question. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.